Hey, out my phone! What's your problem, Ogini? Hey, you throw my phone down. Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. My son is looking at me, he's wondering, this thing again, mommy again. Nonetheless, welcome, guys, again to another beautiful vlog. We are opening another vlog here, and it's been days after I picked my camera for the last vlog where I stopped. So we are starting another one today. It's been beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are good. Hope you're perfect. Let me drop this. Okay, he also, my son is here. In fact, he was coming for this tripod. Like, I know they hear everything you they talk. Now the tripod I want, I had to keep him on the bed and distracted him with toys. Now he's looking at the remote. He wants the remote. But let's continue, guys. How are you doing? How has it been with you? It's how many days to my birthday? My birthday is on the 12th, and today is 7th, I'll be 8th. Sha. Today is few days to my birthday, and I had my birthday shoot. Oga stayed here. I had my birthday shoot yesterday. Hope you can see me. I pray. I had my birthday. I'm using back camera, so I'm just trying to see the angle I check before going over. I had my birthday shoot yesterday. Chinekenna. I don't want to be editing too much. I had my birthday shoot on Tuesday, on Monday. Yeah, I had my birthday shoot on Monday, while today is Wednesday, and it was beautiful. It was a home service kind of birthday shoot. It was good. But then I made this hair. See this hair? I made packing gel. Oh God, whatever it is people saw now. I made packing gel to for the shoot, and it has. I don't know the kind of gel. I couldn't go to the market to get the original natural hair gel you use. But I don't know what the lady got. She said she bought it that morning. She had to just go and she got the gels for 500 naira. That's 500 naira each. I mean 1516. I don't know. But that was what she used on my hair. And I had no choice. The shoot was to happen that day. And she came that morning to pack the hair. And I've been feeling uncomfortable. My skin, see, even now, my skins are irritating. As my face, everywhere, anything it touches. And see, I've been wearing this hair bonnet because I cannot wear another hair bonnet till I wash my hair. See, are you seeing how black it is? The inside is awful. Even my daughter was like, this is so awful. But I can't help it. I can't go and start getting another hair bonnet and staining everywhere. Meanwhile, our washing machine has got spoiled. So we're waiting for the person who will come and repair it, and I will have lots of laundry to do. So I cannot be washing and changing hair bonnets at this point. But my hair is itchy. I packed it on I said on Monday, right? God bless my memory. I packed it on Monday. My son has been helping me scatter it. I'll wash off his hand and everything because the gel is just all over everywhere. I don't recommend this thing I did on my hair. But then the shoot was okay. We've not seen the pictures yet, but I pray it will be fine. What else? Welcome to another vlog. This is not a birthday vlog. I'll cut it before then. This is not a birthday vlog. I pray we'll have a birthday celebration so that we can have a vlog. But then obviously the next vlog. Kachi, you fall down from there. Stop. Go inside. The next vlog will definitely be the birthday vlog. But then I came to open up this vlog. I want to go have breakfast. This past one, almost 2 p.m. If I'm not mistaken. Let's go and have breakfast, and then you see what I have to do for today. I even want to make granola. Then this hair, I'm losing it. I would have lost it last night, but there was no time. There was no time to lose it. I'm losing it. I'm washing it today, and I'll make it tomorrow morning. I would have made it this evening, but then the woman said she has things to do this, whatever it is. I'll just have to make it tomorrow morning, and I have a lot, and you're coming with me to that a lot. But thank God it's a beautiful a lot. And how are you doing? Let's have breakfast and lunch. I had things to tell you, but I forgot to say. I was like, I'll say this. I've forgotten all of them. If I remember anyone, I'll say it in the course of the video. But let's get started. hope you can hear me. I'm trying to use my mic. Sorry, I did not come out from the room with my mic. But then, guys, that's the parfait I want to take. Parfait, hobby bought it for me for a while now, and I like it. It's really less expensive. They sell this pack for 4,000 naira, and it has everything in it. Just that I've left it in the freezer. The parfait still remains thick. I like it for it, and it has all the nuts. It has granola. There's the oats, apples, grapes, granules. This I really like it. I really do like it. But the only thing then with this parfait that is not sweetened. I don't know why they don't sweeten their parfait. So I'll use this honey. I'll use my honey and sweeten it. Then I'll add more groundnut to it. I'll not add coconut. The cashew nut I have. What's this one? Okay, chia seed. You have chia seed in it too. The cashew nut I have, I want to use it to make my own granola today. So let me just add honey and groundnut to make it crunchy. Let me have that crunch in it. You get? But I like it. See the whole quantity. It's really good for just 4,000 naira. And you still have enough. You can see the granola inside. That's the granola under the yogurt, and there is another granola down. I take it regularly, frequently, and I like it. Serious. I love parfait. So if you want to be my friend, be giving me parfait every day, and I'll love you. Imagine, guys, I wanted to show you that I'm putting honey. I went off camera to show that I'm putting honey. Does that make sense? It doesn't even make sense. Oh, sorry, I've already put honey. See the honey I put. And this should be enough. It's not enough. It's not enough compared to how tangy, this thing can be. It can slap. This year yogurt slaps a lot. So I just waiting with my own honey. Okay, I think this should be okay. In addition to the one I put already. What's that? You want to see yourself in the camera? Clap for Jesus. Kachi, clap for Jesus. Clap, clap, clap. Hey God, I'm trying to distract him. Boo boo. I'm really turning this thing like it's a lot. Hey, my phone. I want to unbox the things we got from the market. So if you can hear me, this is past 10 p.m. in the night. So someone helped us get, God, see tomato, fresh tomato for 5,000 naira. But on our streets, it's less than this. So this all this for this little thing for 5,000 naira. Around here, just on the street, it's way more than this. I'll even get another one and compare it. I don't like how this lady buys. I don't know where she buys them from. We got Hollandia drink for the kids. Sweet potato for 1,000 naira. That's what is in here. Carrots for 1,000 naira. Okra for 500 naira. Bitter leaf for 500 naira. So that to buy okay, this one is Hollandia milk for 3,000 naira. The little small sachets. I can't stop opening them now. Open them later and take them where they should be. This one is milk and Milo. Although I'm not opening them, but I'm telling you what is inside the nylon. Milk and Milo. Jello milk and milk. This one is Nantu for baby. Another Nantu in here. The wipes. 2 packs of wipes. A crate of egg. 1 crate of egg. And the way they handled it, I just pray it has not broken, because they are always breaking. The eggs are always breaking. I just pray that we can even see like up to 5 cracked eggs, not even cracked, broken eggs inside here. I just pray this one is intact. In here we have Irish potato, spring onion, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I've not seen my green pepper and red pepper. Let me look for them. I have ugu and curry leaf here. Ugu and curry leaf. I'll be using them to cook tomorrow. This is ginger for 1000 naira. This is green beans for 500 naira. That's the green and red bell pepper in here. And pepper, shombo and red pepper, ordinary nataro dabi habanero. But that's what is in here. Then this onion for 2000 naira. Onion for 2000. This such a I started using all these things as such a tomato, but I had to just buy this one to substitute the fresh tomatoes since you don't have fresh since fresh tomatoes are now very expensive in the market. So and then here is my Nescafe 3 in 1 roll. And my grounded omono. That's what I have here, grounded omono. My last but not the least is this Depo bag, and it's Yara size 5. I didn't open everything because of space and time. Guys, let's go make. I'm not with my mic. Sorry, I'm in a hair, so let me shout. Let's go make my hair. This is my OOTD for the day. I'm wearing this red dress which I've had for a long time, but then I once tried it when I gave birth milk, but my stomach was protruding. Now it's fitting, it's so loose and it's so okay. And my slippers, white slippers. Hey, I'm not naked myself. White slippers, simple. I'm not covering my hair because I have my daughter's products, my kids' products on my hair. So I want to start going on. The woman said she's available. Let's start going to make this hair. I'm in a haste. And my phone memory went off from here. I deleted some things and I'm here again. Guys, I'm cooking. I'm making 3 pots of soup now. So I know you've seen me on this dress severally, but I wanted to remove it, but I need to cook everything, finish all the work I have for today, bake, then dress properly like a normal human being. Then I'm making 3 pots of soup. I want to be done with the soup before the kids come back by 1 today. Then it's missing by 1 today. I have my mic so you can hear me. I'm making here okra soup. Over here, egusi soup. The egusi is very small. Then onugbu soup here. Let's just see how we'll go. I'm trying to be fast. My son was up before. I've been carrying him to do what I was doing, but thank God he has slept back. So I'm trying to be fast. Let's see whether this is past 11. I think almost 11:30 or so. Let's see if we can if we can be finished. Well, God forbid. If we can finish with this meal before 1, because I still have soup to make. I still have stew to make. I have jollof rice, the one we'll eat this afternoon, and I have this small sauce I want to make today. Then I'll make catfish pepper soup for dinner. I don't know how I can be done with these things before 6. I want to be done with everything before 6. But obviously, you're coming along with me. Let's see how possible that will be. So the proteins are boiling. Okay, I've already mentioned for okra, for egusi, and for bitter leaf soup. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, ma. Okay, Kimmer. Oh, we are fine. Thank God. Guys, see who is awake while I was cooking. My boy is awake. I see. So I think I'll just have to round up and you will see the after effect of what I'm cooking. But I'm almost done. It's just to put the leaves. Yeah. So let me just show you that part. Yeah. For the bitter leaf, that's the bitter leaf. I boiled it first. Yes, I boiled my bitter leaf to take out all the bad taste before putting. So that's what I want to put now. We prepared the ugu, that's the pumpkin leaf yesterday for the egusi. And the egusi and the ogbono we'll be using that's one and okra, the other pot. So we'll be using this. We prepared it and put it in the freezer in this nylon. So it makes it quite easy instead of using my Ziploc bags that I end up not washing and just throwing it away. Discard is best. I just use this one that I know I'll discard. Sorry, Bobo. I sat my boy on the seat. I'll show you. Yeah, yeah, Bobo. Okay, this one should be for. Ooh. So guys, I also added uziza leaf. I don't know the English name. I actually don't know the English name, but I added uziza leaf. It gives a different taste, a different and unique taste to your egusi soup. Even your draw soup, I'll be adding it to the draw soup also. But then you should try it, guys. You should really, really try it. Uziza and pumpkin leaf in your egusi, that's melon soup. You come back and thank me. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Unfortunately, my phone memory is filled up. I need to remove something. I don't know what to do at this point, but I'll come back when I'm done with the stew and every other thing because my phone memory is filled up, so I will not carry along with those ones. That's the jollof rice I made for lunch. I've already dished it for the kids if I remember to video it. The remaining just this small. I've not taken my own. I'll take from here too. Let me continue the last one, which is the catfish. Excited about what? Guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. I'm exhausted. I'm stressed. I made egusi soup. I made ogbono soup. I made azabona and okra. I made onubu soup, bitter leaf soup. I made jollof rice, stew, vegetable sauce, catfish pepper soup, and boiled plantain. I cooked everything. I started by past 10 a.m. and I was done by past 4, a little 5 p.m. almost 5 p.m. I've served the kids. I've done everything. I'm not carrying my son. My niece that was helping me carry him is now and is about to clear the kitchen, wash the plates, sweep the house because I've tried. I need to end this vlog here. I know it's quite short, but I need to end it here so I can edit it and push out my videos. Yes, because my memory space is full and I need to shoot. I need to film some vlogs too. So thank you so much for watching. I know I'm exhausted. I'm looking somehow, but don't count it as anything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's meet in the next